Okay, good morning everybody. I'm going today, I'm bored, and since today is the first day of the sgtoycon thingy, I'm literally gonna be traveling there to get some toys, like the one I'm holding here right now. I didn't actually get this at sgtoycon, but yeah, just starting out my day, I guess. Nothing much. Anyways, time skip time. Okay, I think why I literally just time skip to my own room. Like, what the hell. I was literally going to time skip to like the train station where I was like going to start taking the train, but never mind. So also here's an extra thing. I have made a bunch of stupid looking bus models. CDG fictional bus, MAN A95 Euro 6, B10M Strider, MAN and MAN A22 Euro 5, and SBS 9A9U. This one is SBS 9A9U. The one I made is very pathetic. So I think I should make a better one someday, but not today, I guess. So yeah, so these are the things I am going to bring because they are also models and they're technically also toys, I think. Yeah, and also I'm going to make a new one. Yay! Okay, actually think about it. I think I need to like time. I think I need to do another time skip on like when it's until the time when it's done. Okay, wait, give me a minute. Oh my god, is that SMB 5AH? Oh my god. Okay, actually never mind. Like, I've just made the demo bus. Yay. Actually, this is just gonna be the model. I'm gonna fold this up and then put it in I'm gonna like wrap it around a piece of Lego as the support for this model, I guess. Yeah. And, okay, there we go. There is my hastily made SMB 5AH paper model. I guess I'm just gonna bring it to the Toy-Con today because it's fun to do that. It's a little bit loose. Let's say this one. This is the Man A22 from earlier. So yeah. So now it looks like it's about time for me to travel to the place already at Kallang. So time skip time. Okay, I think I've appeared in the location where I'm supposed to be to catch the train to sgtoycon. Okay. I think I might need to hit the door 8 first. Okay. So, for train, it should be here by now, but it's not here. Hold on a minute. Oh, that's nice. That's great.
Little India Station. 小印度 Please forget. 请小心空隙 will habitat living தயவுசெய்து தளமிடை இடைவெளியில் கவனத்தில் கொள்ளுங்கள். Please do not lean against the doors.
Okay. Okay. So. So yeah, I'm here, I guess. So I have to go in the direction towards Expo Station. Yeah. So I guess time skip again to the train arrives, I guess. This is 101.
Promenade interchange. Please mind left. 请小心后行. We'll happy you go on platform.
Okay, so it's now time to hit the CCL. Oh, whoops, wrong platform. Okay, the train's here, but I think I'm gonna wait for next instead. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so now I'm gonna time skip until the next train. Okay, wait, hold on a sec. I kind of forgot that the music was here.
The train approaching platform A will end its service at Stadium. The train approaching platform A will end its service at Stadium.
Well, how convenient, I guess. Looks like I'll be taking this one.
Attention please, the train approaching platform A will end its service at Stadium. The train approaching platform A will end its service at Stadium.
Okay.
Stadium. Stadium. This train service ends here. If you are traveling towards Paya Lebar or Bishan, please board the next train.
Alright, so here we are. Stadium. Which is where the this is where sgtoycon is gonna be held. Yay! So we're going to a leisure park. And here it is. Oh, great. Now a bunch of people are queuing up. Looks like I may have to queue up too. Just sad. Huh? Never mind. I guess I'll just skip to and I'm in the place already. So here I am, I guess. That thing in front, that thing in front is the toy convention. That's it. I really thought I actually need to go all the way around and around and around Leisure Park Kallang, but then this is it. Anyways, this place is pretty fun, I must say. A good place to enjoy, good place to enjoy the holiday, I guess. But first, the people at the sgtoycon queue, they told me that the wait is going to be 2 hours long. So in the meantime, I think I'll just get a snack. So now I have snacks. Yay! So now I guess I'm just gonna wait until the queue clears up, I guess. Alright. Oh my god. Okay. Well, I guess 2 hours have passed and now I'm very, very, very tired. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I guess I'll just cut through and I buy the thing, the toy. So yeah, I got my thing. Yeah, I paid quite a bit, $54, which is quite a lot for me because I'm a little bit poor. Actually no, I know if I am lah, but I got this, the MRT and the track that comes with it. Pretty nice. Yeah, pretty nice. So now I'm gonna put this back and yeah, I guess I'm just gonna open it once I get home, which I'll be out for quite a while today because I have other things to attend to. The unboxing part, I think I'll just make it tomorrow. Yeah. So I think I can actually you know, skip to tomorrow. Okay, anyways, hello everybody. Exactly 1 day has passed since I bought this thing and I haven't actually opened it, so it's time for unboxing, I think. I think I need to get some sort of stand before I start unboxing the thing. Yeah, wait. So I've got a stand. So now I'm going to unbox the train. Yay. So trying to get a good angle here. So this is what the box looks like. Pretty nice. With the C151 refurbished. The track. Also not the way I see what yeah. Like I saw the track actually has the third rail power as the third rail power source here included, which is a pretty nice detail, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna open the train first. Shit. Okay, so here it is. This the thing. It's pretty nice model, I must say. It's really worth the $50 or so I paid for this. Yeah. This one is set number okay, I think you focus the camera first. Okay, it's hard to focus the camera on the tiny details and stuff, but yeah. This train's set number is 6, I think, 006, which is kind of a nice thing, a nice detail, because it says MRT 05. Actually, I don't think that's a nice detail. 6 is not equal to 5, but whatever, I guess. So, oh wait, okay. Have to be extremely careful while doing this. Ah crap, my hand's blocking the thing. Okay. So now we have train. Yeah. The box and the vehicle itself. It has wheels. It's very nice. I kind of wish I could make the roof brown though. Besides the point. So over here you can just see some of the little nitty-gritty details of the train. Okay, it takes quite a while. Wait. So it has the TIN, which is the three white thingies. TIN says 138 for my one. And there's the new SMRT Trains logo. Pretty nice. And overall, the livery is just what I expect it to be. It's pretty average. Pretty nice. So okay. So yeah. It's a nice little train. So moving on to the track. So the box looks like this. I'll open it. So the track. Yeah. I think this is a pretty simply designed track lah. I don't really think there's much to it except for the rails and the third rail and the sleepers. Yeah. And it comes with this this third rail thingy. It's nice. So I'm going to have to put it onto the track as shown. Okay, yep, so this looks about right. And then now I can put the train onto the track. And very carefully. Okay, oops, I think I derailed it. Okay, gotta be very careful, very aware of where I place it, and okay, yeah, there we go. So now the train is on the track, and okay, wait, the third rail just came off. So there we go. There's my C151, I guess. Okay, wait, no, it's still not up the tracks. Let me just try again. Okay, yeah, got it. Yeah. So now it works. It works. Yay. So I guess this is just gonna be something I have in my room from now on. Yeah. Okay, I guess that just marks the end of the video. Bye.